Hi everyone, and I welcome you all in the new academic session of school, that is 21-22, with keeping fingers crossed that will be meeting very soon offline. Okay, so hi, I'm Shilpa Miss and I'll be your class teacher for the next session. Also, I'll be taking responsibility of subject maths. Alright, so children, you all know that we are not in a situation in which we can be in direct connection. Alright, we cannot be in direct connection right now, but of course a big thanks to this technology, because I know there are very negative points around this technology, but the most positive point for this technology is that this technology has kept us connected in this pandemic also. Otherwise, you just see what would be the situation of education today. So because of, let's thanks this technology who has kept us connected in this pandemic also. Your education is not suffered, your school is not suffered because of this technology. Okay, and you know, still we are in the pandemic. We have to take care the way we were taking care for the last few months. Okay, now it's more than a year, so I'm saying months. So you have to take care in same way for the next 1 year also. Even if pandemic is gone, you have to take care. We'll let your parents vaccinate themselves, let your siblings take care, okay, of themselves. Follow all the protocols to save us from this dirty pandemic, okay, which nobody wants. Everyone wants to get rid of this pandemic. So even I am there to help you in all sorts, okay. So the main thing is that whatever things are going around you should not impact you, okay. Your parents will take care of that. You should not take tension of that, right? Because see, the thing is, you have to concentrate on your studies. All right, you like whatever you like, you just involve yourself in that, because whole day sitting inside the house is not a joke. Okay, I also have a son, so I know it very well. What is the condition of these kids? Okay, last so many months they are inside the house, just listening that only, that don't go outside, do this, wear masks. But that is also very important, children. We have to follow it. Okay, just involve yourself in some activities. And now since schools are starting, I suggest you just put yourself completely in these studies. Okay, so we'll have a positive start, that within few months, let's hope that we'll meet in the school for offline classes. Okay, let's pray for that we'll meet in the school for offline classes the way we used to. Okay, let all those good days come back. Let's pray together for that. Okay. See, my subject is maths. Okay, I'm going to teach you maths. I'm your maths teacher. So this is the textbook for maths. Okay, so you have to, I hope you have got it. Those who have not got it, please, you can just arrange it for it. Okay, please do that, because in maths textbooks are really very important. So this is your maths textbook for class 6th. This is also the back side. Okay, so you can see. So maths textbook I'm showing you. You can see contents. Okay, you can see the contents. There are total 34 chapters. Okay, about which you should not worry, because that's the most important thing, which I always tell you, that the number of chapters has nothing to do with your, like, you don't take tension about it, about the number of chapters. Oh miss, we have to study this much. Oh miss, we have to study that much. Whatever will be the important part, that will be only extracted if such situation comes. Otherwise, we'll try our level best to give you 100% knowledge and content. Okay, so you need not worry about the syllabus at all. The most important thing is understanding. Okay, if you understand maths, look here. Now what is maths? Maths is the most beautiful and powerful creation of the human spirit. Okay, this is what I have learned from my teachers, that maths is the most beautiful and the most powerful creation of the human spirit. So my teachers have told me like that. I really believe that. So I think you should also believe the importance of maths. Maths is not what maths is not for mugging up. Okay, you can mug up to certain level, but when you are 6th standard, you are not allowed to mug up, because you cannot do that. 34 chapters, how you mug up, children? And the examples are also not same. But since you are so lucky that we have, you are so lucky, you will not be doing that, I know, because you have got good teachers. Okay, we have got good teachers, so you will not do that, I know. So just remove the mugging up thoughts. Yes, wherever needed, formulae or certain equations, those you have to just study and learn. Okay, if needed. Otherwise with practice that is also not needed. Then second thing is, as I have told you, now many students, they have like, oof, maths is dirty. Maths is not like, I hate maths. I hate maths. I don't like maths. I just pray to God that this subject should not be there. You will not know that I told you, the maths is the most beautiful creation of this human spirit. It is said that maths is the queen of all the subjects. Maths is the queen of all the subjects. Okay, so you do not have to hate maths. Okay, it's a very lovely subject, children. You have to just concentrate a little bit. Once you understand the concept, if your concept is clear, if you know that this I know, and depending on that concept, if you are able to solve sums, I bet that you will start liking maths. So what is the most important thing in maths is understanding. If you'll say, this question I don't know, I'll mug up. Okay, but if the if the question is also only changed, then what you will do, right? So the most important thing is to understand the concept when teacher is teaching. So when teacher is teaching, you should concentrate only on its concept clearance. If your concept is not clear, you have to ask it. You have to clear all the doubts. Okay, so the most important thing is clearing your concept time to time. Suppose today Miss has taught one math sum and I have not understood. Let it be. During exam I'll see. Till you come up to exams, you will have so many concepts which are pending to be understood. So that day's concept, please clear that day itself. In maths, you can only conquer when you study maths daily and practice it daily. There is a huge saying about mathematics is that for those who dislike maths, those who feel maths is difficult, those who feel it is like a hell, for them I'll say only one thing, that the only way to learn maths is to do maths. You cannot conquer it without practicing. Okay? You cannot conquer maths, you cannot learn maths without practicing. For doing maths, for learning maths, you have to do maths. And if now you're in 6th standard, so you have to give little more attention towards mathematics subjects. Okay, so we both, you and I together will both, both will struggle, will do hard work, okay, and we will conquer this maths subject. So remove in from your mind that I don't like maths, I dislike maths. And second thing, you should be ready to do hard work. And third thing, practice. So if these three things are there, I have examples that those who were disliking maths, those who were not liking maths, those who were not interested in maths, they really started liking maths within few months. So I hope many of you will become examples. You'll be added in those examples too. Okay, if you believe in certain concepts. Alright. So both of us have to work harder for it. Okay, and I'm always there to guide you, to help you. Only I need from your part is concentration and hard work. Okay. Then syllabus discussion will do. The syllabus as I have shown you, textbook, there are 34 chapters. So you don't have to worry about that. And syllabus will be like first unit test syllabus will be told to you very soon. Okay, you should have that much idea that we are going to work on these and these chapters. Okay, and so there will be no issues regarding that, and soon we'll meet offline. Please pray for that. And from tomorrow we'll surely start lesson number 1. Okay, from maths textbook, this textbook. So please be prepared with all your notebooks and textbook, and stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye.